How do I integrate all my social networks into one CRM?
Are you looking for a CRM that's integrated with social networks? Do you want to integrate lead ads? A company page? A messenger with your CRM? If you answered yes to these questions, you need to have marketing automation campaigns that target your clients on these social networks. The simplest ways to engage is to build a trusted relationship with social media users through an open channel of communication. Our open channels connect the most popular social networks and messengers with your CRM. For example, if your clients use Facebook, it will be convenient for those clients to communicate with you via Facebook. With this strategy in mind, you unite all popular social channels into one communication hub. So your employees will see all incoming messages from your Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. on your site web chat all in one place.
Scan the QR code to sign up for the unified messenger.